Hello YouTube, and this is Dead Rising. I am going to show you what you should do on your first boss mission. What you want to do when you come in, your character's gonna be shot at. He's gonna hide here. He'll look out through here. Meet Brad here. Once you get up and starts, there will be a guy up there. Brad will give you a pistol, so you want to stay over here. The guy will shoot at you, yes. He'll be in that window, that window, that window, and that window a couple times. Then he'll move over there, cross over there. Sometimes, he will hide behind that, but if you get him on really low health, then he will come over here, and he will throw grenades at you. So, yes, really hard. I will have to film it for you when I beat this, if it's okay with my neighbor to use this thingy again, her webcam. So please enjoy what I have for you today. Today will be a run, fun, weird, I don't know. Just enjoy it. Alright? I'm starting now. Show me the meaning of being lonely. Send me words for the broken heart. It's hard to see when it comes to love. So hard to walk with me. Nights and nights so soon they come. Wild and free, I can feel the sun. Your every wish will be done. They show me the meaning of being lonely. Is this the feeling I need to walk with? Tell me why I can't be there where you are. There's something missing in the air. Life goes on as it never ends. I just don't observe the trends. They never say, never gaze upon me. Guilty rose, endless love. There's no control. Are you with me now? Every wish will be done. Tell me the meaning of being lonely. Is this the feeling I need to want? Tell me why I can't be there where you are. There's something missing in my I have nowhere to go. Surrender my heart, body and soul. How can it be asking me when you never show?
I woke up early to baby blue eyes from the whoa, whoa, whoa. And when the sun comes through, lights you like the angel you are. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I know I do you wrong. When I'm with you, I've been gone. With every season change, it's the same, no better picture. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And on these empty streets, you could be the flowers no blue. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can't believe I missed your birthday again. And I wanna come back, but I just don't know when. And I'm so lonely, wanna be with me. That's what I'm gonna be on the next way home. Though the never ends round the bend, I see you smile. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I swim across the sea to be with you for a while. Whoa, some made of life will be gone, and the way that I feel is I just don't belong here. And I'm so lonely, here with me. That's how I'm gonna be on the next way home. And you're the only place I wanna see. That's how I'm gonna be on the next way home. Stand around and make every moment and be somebody, anybody. It seems the whole world is taking me over. I need somebody to take me back to love. I've always been a million miles away. But things aren't gonna change. I just wanna come home. And you're the only place I wanna see. That's where I'm gonna be on the next way home. Yeah, I'm taking the next way home. Now I'm getting the next way home. Now I'm taking the next way home.
Yikes! I didn't know they'd be there.
Do you know what we're fighting for? When it's not worth dying for. Does it take your breath away and you feel yourself suffocate?